Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best navy blue thread is probably one of the most versatile and essential items in any sewing kit, offering a rich, deep hue that complements a wide array of fabrics and projects, from delicate embroidery to robust upholstery, making it a go-to choice for both beginners and seasoned crafters seeking both aesthetic appeal and reliable performance in their stitching. Number 5. Singer Polyester Sewing Thread Set, 30 Assorted Colors. Discover a complete sewing kit designed for your convenience. It includes 30 spools of high-quality polyester thread in vibrant colors, plus essential tools like needles and a threader. Whether you're working on apparel, embroidery, or home decor, this versatile thread is optimized for both machine and hand sewing. It's ready for any creative endeavor. Crafted for longevity, this all-purpose thread offers lasting strength and reliability. You can trust it to hold up for all your sewing projects. Unleash your creativity with a broad palette of 30 assorted colors. This set provides exceptional value, offering more options than buying spools individually. Keep your supplies neat and tidy with the included durable storage case. It's perfect for storing at home or taking your sewing essentials on the go. What we like? This set offers a fantastic variety of colors for all your projects. It comes with essential tools like needles and a threader, making it a complete package. If you're looking for a convenient and colorful option for general sewing and mending, this is a great choice. What people say. Delivered right on time and the thread was an exact color match. Good quality thread, excellent color range, practical and durable storage box. The wide array of colors is great, just the thing when a button falls off or a skirt needs the hem fixed. Number 4. Juning Portable Sewing Kit with Case. Introducing the Juning Portable Sewing Kit, your all-in-one solution for quick and easy repairs. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to experienced crafters. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential sewing accessories you'll need. From needles and threads to scissors and measuring tape, it has you covered for any basic mending task. Its smart and compact design ensures everything stays organized and in place. The secure straps keep spools and tools neatly arranged, making it easy to find what you need, wherever you are. The convenient size makes it perfect for carrying anywhere, whether you're traveling or just need a quick fix at home. Enjoy the satisfaction of DIY repairs on anything from pet clothes to stuffed toys. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This sewing kit is a practical choice for all ages. It's ideal for moms, grandmas, friends, beginners, and anyone who loves to craft or enjoys DIY projects. Please note that the zipper style may vary slightly from the image shown. You might receive the version in the picture or the one featured in the video. What we like? This kit is designed for ultimate portability and convenience, with everything neatly organized. It contains a wide array of essential sewing tools for basic repairs. If you need a go-to kit for travel, emergencies, or for someone just starting out, this is an excellent practical gift. What people say. The thread colors are vibrant and useful, the needles are well assorted, and it includes all the basics like scissors, pins, a measuring tape, seam ripper, and needle threader. Much thicker thread in a variety of colors, needles and other accessories included. It contains various sizes of needles, a lot of different thread colors, scissors, and more. Everything is made of quality materials. Number 3. Heavy-Duty Polyester Sewing Thread T70. Introducing our heavy-duty polyester sewing thread, designed for all your crafting needs. Its exceptional strength ensures durability in every stitch. This thread boasts a high-strength 210D3 construction, equivalent to number 69T70. It's made with 3 strands for superior toughness, making it ideal for demanding projects. Whether you're working on upholstery, jeans, leather, or even beading, this thread is up to the task. It's perfect for both hand sewing and machine use, even at high speeds. Its robust nature makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, including outdoor sewing projects. You can rely on it for long-lasting results. With 1,800 yards per spool, this thread provides ample material for all your sewing endeavors. It's an essential accessory for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This high-quality thread is a wonderful choice for holidays, weddings, and other special events, ensuring your creations are beautifully finished. What we like? This thread is built for strength and durability, perfect for demanding tasks. Its high tensile strength makes it suitable for heavy-duty sewing projects. If you're working with materials like leather, denim, upholstery, or need thread for outdoor use, this is the robust option you need. What people say. This thread surpassed my expectations in its quality and sturdiness. Nice quality thread. Bought for chair cushion covers and has done great so far. Excellent price, bang for your buck, nice color selection, strong thread for leather work, lots of yardage. Number 2. Coats & Clark Dual Duty XP Heavyweight Thread 3-Color Bundle. Introducing our heavyweight thread, perfect for your most demanding sewing projects. It's designed to handle everything from denim to upholstery with ease. Each spool features a unique dual trap system. This ensures your thread stays neatly wound and secure, preventing any accidental unwinding. For machine sewing, use needle size 14, 16, or 18. For hand sewing, sizes 1 through 6 are recommended. This makes it adaptable to various sewing techniques. This thread is perfect for creating bold top stitching, adding cording, and stitching hand-worked buttonholes. Achieve professional results on all your projects. Experience a smooth, beautiful finish with consistent tension and balanced twist. Enjoy excellent stitch formation, low breakage, and color-fast, weather-resistant durability. This convenient 3-pack bundle includes soldier blue, Monaco blue, and navy. You get one 125-yard spool of each essential color. What we like. This pack provides 3 essential blue shades for your sewing needs. It's specifically engineered for a wide range of challenging fabrics, ensuring a smooth finish. If you frequently sew with materials like denim, leather, upholstery, or canvas, this thread offers reliable performance and a beautiful result. What people say. Make sewing on Demon easy and sight-free as thread matches numerous colors. Sturdy. Just what I needed for an upholstery job. Number 1. Coats & Clark Dual Duty XP Heavy Thread. Discover the new Dual Duty XP Heavy Thread from Coats & Clark. It's the perfect choice for your sewing needs. Crafted from 100% polyester, this thread offers exceptional strength and durability for all your projects. The innovative spool features a dual trap system, ensuring it stays securely wound and prevents unwinding. This extra performance thread is perfect for delicate materials like chiffon, organza, and voile. It's also recommended for creating beautiful lingerie, bridal wear, and formal fashions. For machine sewing, use a size 9, 65 needle. For hand sewing, sizes 9 and 10 are recommended. What we like. This thread is designed for exceptional performance, especially with delicate materials. Its smooth finish and consistent tension are ideal for fine sewing. If you are working on lingerie, formal wear, or any project involving sheer or lightweight fabrics, this is the perfect thread to achieve a beautiful, professional look. What people say. Strong, easy to thread the needle and exactly the right navy color. Excellent heavyweight thread for piecing denim garments or other applications that require a thicker weight than all-purpose polyester thread but thinner thread than bonded nylon upholstery thread. Works well in sewing machines and will not shred and produces minimal lint. Worked great for my comforter repair for Tyr my dog made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.